Wow, fantastic news here. This whole thing with India is awesome. It's a great opportunity for the people in India. And I just want to expound on a little bit and go into a little bit of how you activate your ability to sponsor people in India. If you've seen the other two videos, you should know what the program is about, and that this is a brand new awakening for the company of Tranont in India, a brand new arm that fits with their overall motto and plan, which is to change 1 billion lives worldwide. Quite an undertaking, and of course we do that two ways: through the plant-based supplements to make for healthy living, and through multi-level marketing to generate revenue and wealth across the world. So I'm going to have to do this quickly because I'm out here in my balcony and it's spitting rain a little bit here in South Florida, one of those days. There's two possibilities here if you are in the U.S. and you know people in India, friends, relatives, whatever, you know people in India and you want to be able to sponsor them, you can do it. You'll have to join the company here in the U.S. Joining in the U.S. is $99 base, and that gets you access to the products and the ability to sell and the ability to sponsor. Once you get your ID, your actual associate ID is one of the requirements, whether you're signing up in the U.S. or eventually with your friends and family in India. You'll have to give them your sponsor's ID, your sponsor associate ID. It's one of the things that they will need. So in order for you to get that here in the U.S., you have to join Tranont in the U.S. And I can help you do that. I give you my associate ID and give you the instructions and walk you through it if we have to do all that. But once you have an ID, associate ID in this country, probably even from Canada you could do it. I'm not sure, but you should be able to do the same thing. You can contact your people in India and see if they're interested. If they're interested in this program, I can give you the links. You can show them the same videos that you just watched here, and if they're interested in signing up, it's free for them to join in India, and they have 3 or 4 products, 4 I think, available. Those were in the videos above, but there's more coming, I'm sure, much more. So you can, by giving them your associate ID, you can sign them up. You get group volume based on what's happening in India. You don't get any direct commissions from that, but you get group volume, which increases your percentage commissions here. So it's all good stuff. It's all good, and it's helping out the people of India. Megatons of help for the people of India, and so anybody that's in India that's happens to be watching these videos, you'll have to get with the person that gave you the link to this one-page website here, basically, and get their associate ID, so you can go in and sign up in India. In India, the URL is just Tranont IN. It's very simple. Their website is fairly simple and easy to navigate, and everything is good. So I'm going to let that go, and if you need help or any questions at all, You can message me, Facebook message, you can call me on the phone, text, or just plain email. All that information is right below here. So thank you very much for watching, and we love everybody, especially in India right now. It's the name of the game. So thank you very much, and I'll be talking to you in another video, I'm sure.